Hello there. This video will walk you through integrating and using JioMeet in Vtiger CRM. Let's get started. First, let us look at the prerequisites. You must have an active business account with JioMeet. You must install the conference add-on in Vtiger CRM. You must sign in to JioMeet through Vtiger CRM. Now, let us see how to install conference application. Log into your CRM account, click the user menu in the top right corner and then click settings. Now go to extensions and click add-ons and search for conference and click on install. This adds JioMeet to the CRM and you can start using it. Now let us see how you can sign in to JioMeet through Vtiger CRM. Please note, JioMeet is secured and needs OAuth to integrate with Vtiger CRM. You must generate JioMeet client ID and client secret ID to get the API tokens. Follow these steps to sign in to JioMeet through Vtiger CRM. Log into your CRM account, click the main menu and then select Events. Now click on Sync and next click Sign In next to the JioMeet application and enter the username and password. Now let us see the actions you can take. You can schedule meetings with the contacts, deals, emails, events and web chats modules. You can send the JioMeet meeting link from an individual contact or deal record by clicking on Log a Meeting in the top right corner of the contact or deal record. You can send the JioMeet meeting link to your contacts or co-workers from the Compose email window by clicking the email icon in the top right corner of the record and then selecting the Schedule Conference option from the Insert Links drop-down. When a user changes the event status to held, Vtiger CRM connects to Jio and fetches the meeting recording URL if the meeting was recorded. This URL appears in the recording link field in the CRM's event record. You can delete a scheduled JioMeet meeting just by deleting the event record created to schedule the meeting. If you wish to remove the JioMeet application's access to sync records from the CRM, first revoke access to JioMeet from Events and then click on Sync. Then uninstall the conference extension. You should now be all set to begin using the JioMeet integration for Vtiger CRM. Thanks for watching this video. Try the integration today.